Guys, this is Miss Lopez back here, and today I have a really cool math lesson for you guys today. Today we're going to learn about area. This is our cheek right here. We are going to determine the area of rectangles with whole number side length in problems using multiplication related to the number of rows times the number of unit squares in each row. First, we got to know the definition of area. So area is the amount of space inside a shape. So I'm going to give you an example. We have this right here, and I am going to color, I'm going to do a shape. We're going to do I'm going to do this shape right here. And we're just going to color in all the shape. Color the whole thing. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want you guys to see what I mean. All right. Now let's say that each one of these is a foot. So here we have 4 feet. And here we got 6 feet. Now we want to know how many feet is, let's say that this is a rug. Let's put rug. So we're going to go 6 times 4. So 6 times 4. So 6 times 4 is 24. 24. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And that is how you find out the area. You have to multiply both sides. Now, if I have this shape right here, we have 2 centimeters and we have 7 centimeters. So this is 2 centimeters and this is 7 centimeters. What do we have to do? 7 times 2. 7 times 2, which is 14. So how many centimeters are in all? 14. Let's do another one. We have 1 meter and we have 7 meters. So what do we have to do? We got to multiply. So 7 times 1 is 7. So that has 7 meters. Okay, this one's a bigger shape. So here we got 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So this measures 3 centimeters. This measures 4 centimeters. So what do we have to do if we have to find out how many centimeters are in all? We got to multiply. So we go 3 times 4. I'm going to do it inside the shape. 3 times 4, which is 12. So there are 12 centimeters in all. Now, what if we have something like this? We know that all the sides are the same length. All the sides are the same length. So we know that this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, and this is 6. So how would you find out how many centimeters are in that whole square? So you would say, okay, so 6 is right. So 6 is up here, and this is 6, and this is 6, and this is 6. What do? We've got to take one side times the other side. So 6 times 6 times 6 is, let me erase this one right here, 36. So there are 36 centimeters in all. So area has a formula, and this is the formula that you guys will use whenever you are trying to figure out the area of a shape. The formula is length times width equals area. I'm going to put A for area. So if we have, let's say we have this shape right here, which is not perfect, but it will do. we have this shape, and we have that this measures we'll say that this measures 3 centimeters, and we'll say that this one measures 4 centimeters. What is the length? What is the length? The length of the shape. So the length would be 4. 4 times, you're going to plug it into your formula. So the length is 4, so you're going to do 4. What is the width? 3 equals, what is 4 times 3? To go 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. And that is your area. Now we're going to do this worksheet right here, finding area. And the instructions read, find the area in centimeters of the rectangles shown. So we're going to find the area of these rectangles based on centimeters. So what we know is that 8 centimeters, 2 centimeters, right? Now, do you guys remember our formula? I want you guys to write it up here. I'm going to put length times width equals area. I want you guys to remember that. Remember, we're always going to do the length times the width equals the area. So what is the length on this one? The length is 8. So we're going to put 8 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 8 times 2, 16. 16 centimeters squared. We're always going to put that 2 right there. Now, the reason we put a 2 there is because we're multiplying a centimeter by a centimeter. So, centimeter and centimeter, 2 centimeters. So, centimeter and centimeter, when you multiply them, they're squared. So, let's try this one up here. 8 centimeters times 9 centimeters equals 72. Let's put it up here because I don't have any space. I'll put 72 centimeters squared. Now I want you guys to write it up here on the answers. So the first one, we got 16 centimeters squared. And the second one, we had 72 centimeters squared. All right, we're going to do the third one. Let's do it. What is our length? Our length is 6. So we're going to go 6 centimeters times 5 centimeters. 6 times 5 equals 30 centimeters squared. We're going to put our answer on the answer sheet. Centimeters squared. Now let's do the next one. What is our length? 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters. 8 times 4, so go 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equal to 32 centimeters squared. Good job. So you're going to go 32 centimeters squared. Let's do our next one. We got length is 9 centimeters times 2 centimeters equals 18 centimeters squared. And then you're going to put your answer, 18 centimeters squared. Good job. Let's do this last one so that we can move on to our independent work. Now, do you see this one? This one has 7 and 7. So we're going to go, okay, so what is our length? 7 centimeters times 7 centimeters is equal to 49 centimeters. And we're going to put it up here, 49 centimeters squared. Good. See, I forgot the squared, but y'all got me. All right, let's do this one real quick. We got 5 is going to be our length, 5 centimeters times 7 centimeters, which is 35 centimeters squared. Good job. 35 centimeters squared. Good job, guys. Now that we finished that, you should all have this worksheet, which I already passed out. And this is going to be your independent work. So you guys are going to work on this one independently on your own. And I'm going to be walking around and helping you guys with whatever it is you guys need with it. Remember, length times width equals area. You guys are doing an amazing job.